Myself Dikshita from Zeal College of Engineering. With me there are 4 other members, Shubhangi, Rutuja, Arya and Nikita. Our guide is Priyanka Bhosle ma'am. We are from first year engineering IT department. We are creating this video for the purpose of project based learning. The main motive is to tackle the real life problems in life and to come up with a solution. For that we are creating a website named Taj Hotel. For that, the coding and the output for that is as follows. This is the coding in HTML. We are using the basic tags, that is HTML head, title, body. If you want to link the page, we use href. We are linking it with CSS, so link rel style sheet main.css. We can also use the button for the page. We can add the image source by .jpg extension. Width and height we can set as we want. We can also add div class. h1 to h6 tags are there for the heading, so we can add that and we can give a para for p tag. In body content we can add the div class, icons, and then close that body tag. These are the facilities we are written the code. At last we can write the customer reviews also in it, about us, do contact us. We can link it by ahref, have a question, contact us. We will write in div class and email ID and just body close, HTML close. So now this was the coding and the output for this is right here. This is the Taj Hotel heading, home services rooms. This is what like the hotel looks like. The food, this is the place. Luxurious rooms are available with Wi-Fi connection. Services, we provide food services. We also have your refreshment for holidays, summer holidays with friends or family. Housekeeping is the main part of the hotel that should be maintained properly. Fitness centers are also provided with equipment, machines. We can book here, right, like this. Checkout date, adults, and submit. Here is a top view launch also. The highlights is like gold certification all over the tricunes from all over the world. 5-star hotel is a premier destination for meetings in Pune. This is how it looks like. We are also created the offers over here to attract the customers. Meetings and events are also held over here. These are my customer reviews, and for any doubt you can contact us or email us. Thank you.